Hello and welcome to Career Time, everyone. And here, it's an old habit that I was doing in Canada. I moved to Rwanda. I found the sun very hot. The weather is very cool. Then I had to go purchase some pots. Unfortunately, I also had to go buy some mud. I saw in Rwanda, I will be coming here. I found mud everywhere, but unfortunately, it's like all cemented. Um, Ground that I found, but that's not the issue. We got everything. I'm just making preparation for cultivating my own food for my own family. It's time to eat from home again. And luckily, with the sun being really hot and the rain is like coming all the time, I'm not really bothered to start farming again. So I just got some soil right here, and I got some pots from a store called 2000, and I am ready. So this is just a preparation for me to leave the soil for one day under the sun so that all the insects, whatever happening in this soil will go away, and I'm cleaning it properly before I put my plant in here. I'm gonna take you to the back where I'm having my seeds, my chili, my eggplants, and my fenugreek or hilba ready for tomorrow to be cultivated in these pots. Let's go. Okay, so this is where this is my factory for making my seeds ready before I put them in my pot. So basically, if you really want to farm or you want to do home gardening, don't worry about it. Especially if you are in Rwanda, this is a very beautiful environment for farming or for home gardening. You better eat your own food at home. Basically, what I have here, this is just eggplant. I opened it and I just removed the seeds and I put it right here, just in a paper towel. I drop some water, and this is my red chili slash green chili. I also put it here to germinate, and for here, this is my hilba, the one that I was looking for a long time since I moved to Rwanda, and I find it now. So I'm gonna make it at home. I will cultivate these three plants for now, and then I will be just observing it for like 3 days or a week, and then we'll see how things goes. And I'm gonna bring more seeds to cultivate. I'm also having a black pepper, just soaked it in water, which is inside. I soaked it in water. I'm gonna leave it for 24 hours, and then it will be also ready to cultivate. Because moving to Rwanda, I found black pepper to be very difficult to find. So why can't I just have it at my house? Like a month or 2 months, still I'm gonna have something to cultivate, something to eat. I think that's the best thing I could do instead of me like just looking around every single supermarket or whatever grocery store. I better have these things at my house: eggplant, chili, fenugreek, and black pepper. Good to go. Hopefully within the next 1 week or two, I'm gonna have some plants. All right, ready. So this is the black pepper that I told you about. All you need to do is just soak it in water right here for one day or 24 hours. You will see the water start to change into brown color. Don't worry about that. This is very good, and do not throw this water away. This water, just pour it on top after you plant it into the soil, because this is going to be very, very nutritious value for the plant. So if you are struggling to have your own black pepper at home or struggling to buy it from the grocery store, now you know what to do, and you will have it fresh at home anytime you need it. Take care.